Hey guys, today I'm unboxing the tie-dye slime machine. So let's go ahead and unbox. These are the contents that were in the box. Now I just need to put this on all this. In the washing machine. This here is scented dye. This is pineapple. This is strawberry. And this is vanilla. Once you've lined up the package, give it a big squeeze. I'm not going to use all my slime today. I'm going to break it in half and put some of it in the washing basket. So you've got to flatten it down. Then you press it down and stick it into the washing machine. And when the machine is spinning, I'm going to put all my scents to make it rainbow, and then you can watch it dry my slime. Whoa! I don't know if you can see, but there's some pink in there. Now that I've been stretching and playing with my slime, it no longer stays. I'm going to go ahead and put it in the laundry basket, and next time I'm going to make a brighter colour slime. Tell you my verdict about this toy. I love it, very messy, but it's amazing. A great way to make colourful slime.